Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to clean junk and temporary files in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open this PC. So here you will see different hard disk drives, right? So you can see the first is the C drive. Just right click on it. Now below you can see here properties, just click on it. Now here you can see here a disk cleanup, right? Just click on it. Now it will open one new window. Now it will show a different files here, right? So you can select the respective files that you want to delete. So here you can see here temporary files, right? You can just select the temporary files, and below here you can see clean up system files, right? Just click on it. Wait for a few seconds. Now it will open again a new window. So we'll just untick others. We'll just select the temporary files again. As you can see, temporary files. Now click on OK. Now it will ask you to, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. So the file has been deleted. So using this process you can clean junk and temporary files in any Windows computer very easily and without needing to use the third-party cleaner applications. So similarly, in this similar manner, you can clean the junk and temporary files of the different hard disk drives, but I would highly recommend to use the system drive, that is the most commonly the C drive. You can just right click and go to the properties, and after that you can just click on the disk cleanup, and you can just select the temporary files and just click on OK to delete all the junk and temporary files from your Windows computer. So if you've never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.